Along with the blockchain technology, smart contracts have been gaining business and usability traction around the world, who have come to trust its peer-to-peer structure. A smart contract is a self-enforcing agreement embedded in computer code managed by a blockchain with rules that allow credible transactions without third parties. Based on the Ethereum smart contract concept, the EtherChain smart contract is designed to provide everyone and anyone with a blockchain and smart contract-based financial support fund that is independent of any third-party interference. Its community-based, fully decentralized P2P support model ensures complete trust and transparency for the participants. Bereft of any mediator, intermediator, ownership, or company, EtherChain provides the world's first decentralized community support fund that is open to all. The best part? Our platform allows you to increase the speed of your returns by growing the community fund through marketing and sharing of EtherChain. So how does it work? And why should you choose EtherChain over other smart contract projects? The answer lies in its long-term sustainability and compatibility to give you up to 310% of your deposit back. With a minimum deposit of just 0.1 ETH, you can receive 310% back in 4 different ways. Number 1. Receive 1% daily return on your deposit for a maximum of 310 days to receive a 310% return as a 100% passive supporter. Number 2. Receive 10% direct referral commission by sharing and growing the community funds for each successful referral. Number 3. Enjoy multiple matching commissions on partners' daily return income for up to 15 levels. You will have 1 level added for each direct referral. Number 4. Identify yourself as a top 4 sponsor in Ether volume to receive a daily top referral reward. Every 24 hours, 10% of the daily pool is shared among the top 4 producers. To register and deposit to EtherChain, you must use a phone app wallet in the form of either Trust Wallet, IAM Token, or MetaMask. Get back with the person who showed you this introduction video today to find out how you can be a part of EtherChain, the world's first decentralized community support fund by the people, for the people.